Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Recently, Russia announced a staggering 1.7 trillion ruble investment in the high-speed rail project Moscow-St. Petersburg, surprising many by choosing Spain's Cinara group over Chinese technology. This decision involves multiple factors such as international politics, technological innovation, and domestic development, sparking global attention and speculation. A high-speed rail dream spanning the vast Russian land, connecting two bustling cities, reducing commuting time, and boosting economic development. However, this grand plan surprisingly does not rely on Chinese technology but opts for Spain's Cinara group. Behind this dramatic decision lie complex factors and strategies that affect the delicate balance among international politics, technological innovation, and domestic development. Russia's latest high-speed rail project, the Moscow-St. Petersburg section, with a total length of 708 kilometers, is seen as a milestone in national development, with planned investments reaching a staggering 1.7 trillion rubles. This project is highly anticipated as it promises to shorten commuting time from a lengthy 4 hours to an incredible 2 hours, which holds profound significance for Russia's economic development. Imagine riding on Spain's high-speed train, enjoying the breathtaking scenery outside the window. But have you ever thought about how this technological innovation and development have changed our lives? How do you think the rapid development of high-speed rail technology has impacted global transportation and the economy? Over the past few decades, Spain has successfully built the world's second-largest high-speed rail network through relentless efforts, prompting us to ponder, what role do technological innovation and international cooperation play in international competition? How can countries strike a balance between autonomous development and international cooperation for mutual prosperity? Given the challenges of global climate change and energy crises, the development of clean transportation technologies like high-speed rail has become increasingly important. In this context, how do you think countries should collaborate to promote innovation and application of clean transportation technologies? How can we address differences in technical standards, intellectual property, and achieve technology sharing and dissemination internationally? This decision was unexpected and surprised many. In the end, this huge order did not fall into the hands of Chinese companies but was snatched by Spain's Cinara group. This decision involves multiple factors. Firstly, Russia may consider technological autonomy crucial. While China possesses globally leading high-speed rail technology, Russia has yet to build high-speed rail lines exceeding 200 kilometers per hour. This makes Russia concerned that complete reliance on foreign technology may put high-speed rail development under others' control, depriving them of the opportunity for independent research and development. Instead, the Cinara group promised to cooperate with local Russian companies to jointly develop a new generation of high-speed rail prototype cars, which may be a key factor in Russia's change of mind. Russia's choice partly reflects its pursuit of technological autonomy while also demonstrating the importance of international cooperation. This decision also echoes Russia's consistent domestic development strategy. In international cooperation, they are more eager to obtain funds and investment to support the development of domestic infrastructure, energy industries, tourism, and other fields. Although they explicitly rejected Chinese technology, they still heavily lease equipment from China for railway construction due to its perceived high quality and reliability. This strategy reflects the complexity of international relations, Russia's special status on the international stage, and the potential political difficulties of openly seeking assistance from China. Therefore, accepting investment seems more in line with their international image and also reveals the delicate balance between international politics and economy. This decision has sparked widespread discussions on Russia's technological autonomy and international cooperation. Cooperation and competition in the field of technology play important roles in international relations. At the same time, this is an opportunity for China and other countries to rethink how to deepen and benefit from cooperation with Russia, and promote the development of high-speed rail technology and infrastructure construction. This decision is complex and poses new challenges for international technological cooperation and competition among countries. We can also see China's rise in the field of technology and the achievements of domestic enterprises in independent innovation. China has been able to meet its own high-speed rail needs and has begun to compete in the international market. This indicates that China has made significant progress in technological innovation and development and can play a greater role on the global stage. Global high-speed rail construction technology is led by China, whose high-speed rail technology is not only the most advanced but also covers a wide range of countries. When it comes to the highest high-speed rail mileage, China naturally comes to mind, but which country ranks second? Many would think of developed industrial countries like Italy or Germany, but in reality, Spain has become the world's second-largest high-speed rail mileage country. Why can Spain surpass strong countries such as the US, Japan, and Germany and become one of the world's high-speed rail powers? China's high-speed rail development is a persistent journey. Through years of technological accumulation, China has achieved remarkable achievements in the field of high-speed rail construction. Although other countries have conducted research on high-speed rail, they lack the continuous spirit of innovation and investment like China's. China's leading position in high-speed rail technology, other countries still need to improve in terms of technological innovation and continuous investment. In a certain period in history, many countries even dismantled some of their own railways because train transportation was no longer booming, and railway technology development stagnated. Until the Tokaido Shinkansen line opened, the world's first high-speed railway appeared, once again sparking people's interest in high-speed rail. However, after years of technological neglect, some industrialized countries encountered various problems in the field of high-speed rail. Italy, since proposing the idea of building railways in 1966, took 4 years to start construction and eventually took 22 years to complete a railway, with extremely low efficiency. Although France set a record of 400 km per hour in 1988, its high-speed rail development has not maintained its previous level. In this case, how did Spain surpass industrial powers such as the United States, Japan, and Italy and become the world's second-largest high-speed rail mileage country? Spain's high-speed rail development cannot be separated from its steadfast attitude. In the late 1980s, Spain planned to build a high-speed rail line to connect underdeveloped areas domestically. Due to insufficient domestic technological level, they chose to introduce foreign high-speed rail, requiring a speed of 270 km per hour, and selecting suppliers through competitive bidding. Spain's success in the field of high-speed rail demonstrates its long-term technological accumulation and steady development strategy, which is worth learning from other countries. The background and reasons for Spain's high-speed rail development highlight the importance of its steady development attitude and the introduction of technology. It has certain enlightening significance for the development of other countries in the field of high-speed rail. Subsequently, Spain gradually mastered high-speed rail construction technology and took the opportunity of the Seville World Expo to build a high-speed rail line from Madrid to Seville, which was put into operation in 1992. This railway gained great attention during the World Expo, with an operating speed of 300 km per hour, demonstrating Spain's strength in high-speed rail construction. They radiated from Madrid to surrounding coastal cities, expanding the national high-speed rail network and preparing for new routes. Currently, Spain's high-speed rail mileage has reached 3,400 kilometers. Although not as much as China, it has surpassed countries like Germany. Spain's high-speed rail construction demonstrates its determination and strength for sustainable development, setting an example for international high-speed rail technology cooperation and promoting the progress of domestic transportation infrastructure. Finally, let me summarize for readers. hoping you have gained something, insights and reflections. In summary, Russia's choice of Spanish technology highlights the crucial role of technological autonomy in national development. However, this does not mean that international cooperation is no longer important. On the contrary, international cooperation still plays a key role in technology exchange, resource sharing, and economic development. In the future, countries need to find a balance between technological autonomy and international cooperation to promote development together. Spain has become the world's second-largest high-speed rail mileage country, not only because of the combination of technology introduction and independent innovation, but also because of its persistent innovation. This provides a valuable lesson for other countries. Innovation is the driving force behind national development, and only by constantly innovating can one stand out in global competition. The development of infrastructure such as high-speed rail is not only a challenge within the country, but also a reflection of international cooperation and competition. In the context of globalization, countries should strengthen cooperation to address global challenges. At the same time, competition drives technological innovation and national development. The construction of infrastructure such as high-speed rail needs to consider economic benefits as well as environmental and social impacts. Sustainable development is a global consensus, and countries should focus on coordination to achieve win-win results. In our daily lives and work, how should we balance technological autonomy and international cooperation? What can we learn from the experience of Spain's high-speed rail development? That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for the next exciting content. Bye-bye.